Hello friends and welcome to this video. I will share with you how to fund your accounts in Oanda. So first step, log in your accounts. After log in your accounts with your own information such email and password, this is the first step. After that, to fund your accounts, if you have a app, as you can see here, if you have a device web, choose your deposit section, click this one. After that, scroll down, you can see this deposit. Choose your bank accounts, choose your payments from here, and then click continue. After that, choose your amount you want to fund, and then complete your steps. If you want to fund with your mobile app, just open your app mobile, choose your accounts, and then when you choose your accounts, as you can see here, write your this option, as you can see here, write your deposit, look for the deposit funds, click deposit, and then choose your payment method, choose your amount you want to deposit, and then click continue. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this